All right, it's going to be IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions. You got to reply. Yes.
Has your voice ever changed?
Has your voice, not wife, voice. Has your voice ever changed? Okay. If the question is, has your wife ever changed? Every day. Okay. Yes, several times a day. So, has your voice, this voice ever changed?
Yes, my voice has been changed because when I was a kid, the tone was different. But with the passage of time, when we grow as a kid, the tone was different. But with the passage of time, yes. To answer your question, yeah,
My voice
my
has
voice
changed.
has been changed a lot.
Okay, so don't say has been changed. Say my voice has changed a lot during this time, right? Or since my childhood till now, my voice has been through several changes. So to answer your question, yes, my voice has changed a lot. Okay, let's go on.
Is your voice similar to your parents?
No, I have my own voice, but I would love if I had the same voice as my parents. But to answer your question, yes, I have my own voice.
Okay, which is different
Which
from
is
my
different from my
parents. Very good. Just try to go answer in one go, and it will need some practice. You will be fine. Okay, let's go on.
Do you like your voice?
Yes, I love my voice because most of the time my friends says, "Yeah, your voice is good." So I took as a compliment. So to
I take it as a
yeah, I
compliment.
take it as a compliment. So to answer your question, yeah, I would say I like my voice.
Very good. This is good. Now see, you are patronizing your answer and you are coming on the track. And once you are on the track, you can answer all the questions even with your eyes closed. You will say, ask me more, hor pucho, and you will answer that, okay? Just make up your mind that you have to answer every question.
Yes.
If the answer is no, even then express yourself, right?
Okay.
Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.